it's a Hemicuda. So the body is from what year? Is it an original Cuda body that you slapped on the Challenger? Is that how it is?
It's an original Cuda body with like new platform underneath it.
Right.
And then the body's just been all like modified and updated.
What year is?
So none of the body is like it's not a new car. It's all original Cuda body. Right. So it's the same wheelbase and whatnot. Just it's had lots of custom stuff done to it.
Okay. What year Challenger did you use? What model?
71.
No, the Challenger?
Oh, a Challenger?
Yeah.
It was an 09.
SRT, RT?
Yeah, it was an SRT.
Oh yeah? Okay. I noticed you have some big modifications on the engine. The Kenny bell, do you still have the Kenny bell on it?
Yeah.
How much do you think you have in horsepower? Or have you had
it? It's about 750.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's been on
at the wheels?
At the crank.
Okay,
yeah.
But still, that's a lot of horsepower. That's like...
It made 630 and 650 foot-pounds of the wheels.
Wow.
And there's more in there, but...
Yeah.
Like, it's too much as it is. I took it out and drove it, and I was like, I don't need more than this. So the short block came from Arrington Engines in the States. Okay. They're like a NASCAR engine builder, right?
Right.
But they're big into the Hemis.
Okay.
So I just bought the short block from them, and they'd already, when I bought that, they had done already about a half a dozen Challengers with the exact same setup, and they said they all came in over 700 at the wheels.
Wow, that's a lot of horsepower.
Yeah.
How much boost is it running?
14 pounds.
Wow, that's a lot of boost for a V8. It's quite impressive.
Yeah,
anyways,
it's all built for it already. It's a 9.5 to 1 motor. You know, all forged internals.
Wow.
Yeah, like it's built for the supercharger. Yeah.
So it's not like a 392 revamped or anything?
No, it's a 6.1 block.
Okay.
Yeah, they use either like the 5.7 or the 6.1 with the same block. Just the bore size is different.
Yes.
Right. And then they just change the bore to basically it's a 7 liter.
Holy shit, 7 liters.
Yeah. So a stroker crank. You know, and then all the high-end rods, all that stuff goes in. Forged pistons. The pistons are Mahle, but they're made to their specifications. Mm-hmm. So Mahle just manufactures what they stipulated, how they want them actually manufactured.
Right.
So you can't just go buy them off the shelf. You have to get them from them.
And does it have like a computer inside that you can tune or change the boost?
Yeah,
or?
it has all. You can't change the boost. That's your belt drive, right?
Right.
So if you want to change the boost, you have to change the pulleys. Then you have to retune for it. So it's not like a turbo.
Oh, it's a beautiful car. I've seen it a lot of times, and people are starting to slap Charger bodies on their Challengers too. I noticed that, but I love the Cuda. It's original. It's you must have a lot of custom fab in this, eh?
Oh, tons.
Yeah, lots of hours.
This has got about 6,000 hours in it.
6,000 hours? Your hours?
Yeah.
You spend the time. You're a manufacturer. You manufacture. I mean, you.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
Oh yeah, like just
you must love it.
The fabrication in this thing is just insane, right? I mean, the only thing that wasn't probably changed on it was the trunk lid, modified. You know, like all the bumpers, the balances, that stuff is all handmade, front and back, right? The body is extended down lower, right? From the bottom body line down, it's wider, right? It's got a drop rocker, like just the back, and all those pieces have to be all handmade. Everything. You can't buy any of these parts.
So
then you gotta like this car was cut down to literally all there was the roof skin.
Okay.
Roof skin is the only original metal left on this car.
Right.
And the inside cage, and then basically you had the piece where the windshield frame.
Right.
And your windshield wipers, right? Firewall gone. Cut it right back to the seam where on the doorposts.
Okay.
There's a seam in there, right? Yeah. Undid all that. That's all gone too.
Right.
And there was literally just the sill and the rocker came up the doorpost, and then your frame on the side, and then it just went across where the windshield wipers were. Everything else was gone from this car. Like it looked like just a bird cage sitting there, all clamped up in place.
6 tons. No,
you can buy it for 300,000. You can have it.
No. I like the Challenger myself, but I think this car is beautiful.
Yeah.
And the fabrication,
it's yours.
No. But anyways, what kind of tires are you running on this? They're
Those are,
fucking wide.
Those are Pirelli P0s.
I mean, like 300. And,
What size are
yeah,
they?
yeah.
405, 25, 24.
405, eh? Just to be
that's
sure.
The biggest passenger car tire made. Those are the Hot Wheel tires.
How the fuck do you fit them under there?
Oh, you have to build the car around it. That's how you get those in a car. You can't put those on anything unless you you got to cut the whole back of the car off, and you have to start over because the rear end, because they're 32 inches tall, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And they're 16.5 inches wide. So you have to not only have to tub it,
2 feet wide.
but you have to take the center section has to go up inside the car, right?
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah,
the
for
frame
sure.
is in the way in every car. The frame is something like the frame area has to come out. All of it. Ask this guy.
It's not a hand lift.
I'm a freak
Biggest.
show.
The biggest tire I've seen on my car.
It's a chicken wing.
I
She
thought.
like tracker?
Did you saw your truck?
Yeah.
No? You guys ready?